All right, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a long day. It's been a long day, but yet the day has felt like it passed. No joke, with very minimal breaks. I was grinding and creating the ads since like 9 a.m. It's now like 4 p.m. About to just I'm done practically. I'm missing one more ad, one more concept, and but I'm a bit stuck on it. So I want to go to gym, take some time off, and come back and try to see what's the best way to put it. But the real question is, because trust me, I actually have a product that has a lot of content on it. Content is not the issue, like visual content. But with this new strategy or this new way that I'm going at testing products, which is very it's very saucy, and I'll be talking about it probably in my next live call. But you're basically to sum it up quickly, you're just testing concepts, like ideas or angles, as a lot of people in this space say. But when you have a certain angle that your competitors don't really provide content for it, it's kind of hard to make a good ad, right? It's really difficult. Or maybe they do have an ad that targets, let's say, the same angle, but it's just not to your likings. Like, you want to give more details, but it's very hard, so like I'm realizing now, because back then when I used to rip, it was really easy. I wasn't testing concepts. I probably, like, majority of the time, I didn't even look at the full ad. I would literally just go and see which is the most viral and copy paste it. But now that I'm putting my brain into the business and thinking about testing different concepts and trying to create a very good ad, but with, like, I'm very limited because it's not my content. So part of me is kind of thinking, like, shit, I think getting custom content is the way. I think it's not, like, people see it more as like it'll cost you more money and it'll cost you more time. I get that, but it's just like you're so much more free. Like, you can legitimately do anything you want with your ad, like, because it's yours, it's your content. You could, like, you have an idea in your head and you can just put it all together with fewer obstacles. But I do know that maybe suggestion could be that when you're testing concepts, you could probably just test with image ads and then see which ones, or like people say static ads, and see which concept works the best, and then get your custom content. But which is definitely a play. Right now, I'm trying to test concepts with video ads, and I just find it a bit difficult. It's pretty fucking difficult. So if moving forward, I don't know. I did them. I made the ads. I was testing like 10 concepts. I made 9. I'm practically done. In the future, though, I think I might go with just image. Instead of going to custom content right away, I think just images. Images are very underrated. They're way cheaper. They're way faster, and you'll probably get better metrics. So it's just and you can and the sky's the limit, right? Because with an image, you can Photoshop, use Canva, you can edit in a way where your concept or your angle, you can just put it on the image, right? Just change the copywriting, change the face. But with the video, it's very difficult. There's so many elements to a video that it's just, I don't know, maybe again, when you're first starting and testing, especially if you're doing it my way, I wouldn't want to say proper way, but my way, where you're testing concepts, not my way, like I didn't create it, the way that I'm doing it. I think image ads might be the move. But I don't know what the future will hold, I think that's gonna be a move that I'm gonna go. But right now, all I'm saying is, if you have the money, or even if the product is very simple where you can order the product yourself and just record, I think just the concept of you having so much free room for you to do whatever you want, I think is a huge benefit. I think it's a huge benefit. Like, you have such an advantage compared to everyone else. So, like, literally spent hours trying to make good ads with not my content. It's difficult. Like, it's fucking difficult. Like, I'm gonna be honest, it's very difficult because these people they don't have the same ideas that I have. They didn't do the same research that I did. And I have these ideas, but it's so hard to put them together with not my content. So, I almost stopped the recording. That would have been sad. But yeah, I'm assuming you guys understand, right? So I just wanted to update you. I just want to let you know, like, that's literally how I feel right now. I think how it is. So, but it's done. Like I said, it's done. So I'm excited. Now I got to build a website. That'll probably take me all day tomorrow. Again, another long hour day. And get it up and running in the next few days. So I'm excited. Yeah. Hopefully it'll be good. I don't know what the future holds again, but you know, I put a decent amount of work in, so hopefully this will be good. Anyways, keep working hard, and of course, like always, I'll see you at the motherfucking wait before chug coffee. This is like my 5th one. See you at the top, baby.